Wait. Kate, tell me right now, what did you eat for breakfast today?
Breakfast?
See, you can't remember.
No, wait, I had coffee?
Just coffee? That's it?
I think I had toast too, maybe.
You're not sure?
No, why is this so hard?
Because our brains are weird, Kate. We forget everything.
That's so true.
And that's exactly why today's challenge is super important.
Oh no, what did you plan for us today?
You'll see.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Boost.
Hey, what's up, everybody?
We're so happy you're here today.
Yeah, how are you all doing?
I hope you're having a great day.
Or a great evening, or a great night. We don't know.
That's true. People listen at different times.
Exactly. So, Kate, how are you today?
I'm good. A little sleepy, but good.
Sleepy? It's the afternoon.
I know. I didn't sleep well last night.
Why not?
I watched a movie until 2 a.m.
What? 2 a.m.?
Yeah, bad idea.
Very bad idea.
I know, but the movie was so good.
What movie?
I forgot the name.
Again with the forgetting.
I know, this is our theme today.
It really is. So, everyone, today is day 13 of our 30-day English speaking challenge.
Yes, and today we're doing something fun.
We're going to talk about yesterday.
Yep, just yesterday.
We want you to tell a 60-second story about what happened yesterday.
Only 60 seconds, 1 minute.
Sounds easy, right?
But it's actually really hard.
Super hard.
So before we start, if you're new here, welcome.
Yeah, we're Martin and Kate, and we help you speak English naturally.
Real English, the kind you actually use.
Not boring textbook English.
Exactly.
And if you like what we do, please give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, hit that like button. It really helps us.
And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next episodes.
We post new videos every single day.
Every day.
So hit subscribe.
And turn on notifications.
Yes, the little bell.
Ding ding.
Okay, let's start.
All right, Kate, I want to test you.
Oh no.
Don't worry, it's easy.
Okay, what is it?
Tell me about yesterday. What happened?
Okay, yesterday.
Take your time.
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Okay, good start.
Then I made coffee.
You love coffee.
I do. Then I checked my phone.
Classic.
I know, everyone does that, right?
Oh yeah, first thing in the morning.
Then I took a shower.
Okay.
Then I got dressed and I went to work.
Where do you work again?
I work from home.
Oh, right. So you just walked to your desk.
Exactly. Like 10 steps.
That's the dream.
It is. So I worked for a few hours. I had some meetings.
Boring meetings?
Very boring.
Poor Kate.
Then I had lunch. I made a salad.
Healthy.
Yeah, I try to be healthy sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yeah. Then I worked more. Then
Then?
I don't remember.
What?
I seriously don't remember.
See? This is the problem.
I know, my brain just stopped.
It happens to all of us.
It's so weird, right?
Very weird. We do so many things every day, but we forget them so fast.
Exactly. It's like our brain deletes the information.
Yeah, like delete, delete, delete.
Yes.
Okay, so why does this happen?
I think it's because we don't pay attention.
What do you mean?
We just do things. We don't really think about them.
Oh, like automatic mode.
Yes, exactly. Automatic mode.
Like a robot.
Kind of, yeah.
We wake up, we eat, we work, we sleep.
Every day, same thing.
So we don't remember the details.
Nope, we just forget.
That's why this challenge is so important.
Yes, because it makes you think.
It makes you remember.
And it makes you speak.
In English.
Which is the whole point.
Exactly.
Okay, Martin, your turn.
Oh boy.
Come on, don't be shy.
All right. So yesterday,
Yes?
I woke up at 8:30.
Wow, late sleeper.
Yes, I like my sleep, okay?
Fair enough.
So I woke up, then I made tea.
Not coffee?
Nope, I hate coffee.
What? You hate coffee?
Yes, I can't stand it.
But everyone drinks coffee.
Not me.
Wow, I'm learning so much about you today.
Good. So I made tea, green tea.
Healthy choice.
Thank you. Then I ate some cereal.
What kind?
Just normal cereal with milk.
Okay.
Then I went outside.
Where did you go?
I went for a run.
You run?
Yes. Why are you so surprised?
I don't know. I didn't know that about you.
Well, now you do.
How long did you run?
About 30 minutes.
That's good.
Yeah. Then I came home, I took a shower.
Mm-hmm.
Then I worked, I answered emails.
Boring.
Very boring. Then I had lunch. I made a sandwich.
What kind of sandwich?
Ham and cheese.
Simple.
I'm a simple guy.
Okay, then what?
I called my mom.
Aw, that's sweet.
Yeah, we talked for like 20 minutes.
What did you talk about?
Just life, family stuff. She asked me if I'm eating well.
Moms always ask that.
I know, every single time.
Are you eating? Are you sleeping?
Are you warm enough?
Yes, exactly.
So yeah, then I worked some more. Then I cooked dinner.
What did you cook?
Pasta with tomato sauce.
Nice.
Yeah, it was good. Then I watched YouTube.
What did you watch?
Travel videos. I love travel videos.
Ooh, me too. Where do you want to go?
Thailand. I really want to go to Thailand.
Oh, that would be amazing.
I know, the beaches, the food, the culture.
Yeah.
One day.
One day.
So that was my yesterday.
That was a good story.
Thanks. I tried,
You did great.
but I talked for way more than 60 seconds.
Yeah, you did.
I got excited.
That's okay. The important thing is you remembered.
True.
And you spoke naturally.
Yeah, I didn't think too much. I just talked.
Exactly. That's the goal. So, everyone listening, here's how you do this challenge.
First, close your eyes.
Or don't, whatever you want.
First, yeah, you don't have to.
Just relax and think about yesterday.
What time did you wake up?
What did you eat?
Where did you go?
Who did you talk to?
What did you see?
How did you feel?
Just small, simple things.
It doesn't have to be exciting.
No, normal life is interesting too.
Very interesting.
Then start speaking.
Out loud.
Yes, you have to say it, not just in your head.
Say it in English.
Even if you make mistakes,
Mistakes are totally okay.
they're part of learning.
Exactly.
So now here's a quick tip.
Ooh, a tip.
Yes, use past tense.
I woke up. I ate. I went.
Not I have woken up.
Just, I woke up.
Keep it simple.
And use time words.
Like first, then, after that.
For example, first I woke up. Then I had breakfast. After that, I went to work.
Perfect.
See? It gives your story structure.
Yes, it makes it easier to tell.
Much easier.
Okay, Kate, random question.
Okay.
If you could change one thing about yesterday, what would it be?
Good question.
Take your time.
I think I would go to bed earlier.
Because of the movie?
Yes, I was so tired today.
I know you. 2 a.m. is too late.
I know. I regret it.
What about you? Would you change anything? Maybe I would cook something different for dinner.
Why?
Because I eat pasta like 3 times a week.
Really?
Yeah, I love pasta.
But you want more variety?
Exactly. Maybe I should learn to cook other things.
Like what?
I don't know, maybe chicken? Soup?
Ooh, soup is good.
Yeah, especially when it's cold outside.
True. All right, everyone. Now it's your turn.
Yes, we want to hear your story.
What did you do yesterday?
Tell us in the comments.
Write it in English. Don't worry about mistakes.
Just try.
And we'll read every single comment.
We will. We love reading your comments.
So go ahead. Think about your yesterday.
And write it down below.
We're super excited to read them.
You know what's funny, Kate?
What?
When I first started learning English, I couldn't talk about my day at all.
Really?
Yeah, someone would ask, "What did you do today?" And I would just say, "Nothing."
Just nothing?
Yep, because I didn't know how to explain it.
Aw, that's tough.
It was, but now it's so easy.
Because you practiced.
Exactly. I practiced every day.
And that's what we want for everyone listening.
Yes, practice a little bit every day.
Even just 60 seconds.
It makes a huge difference. All right, friends, we're almost out of time.
Already?
Yeah, time goes so fast.
Wow. Okay, so let's quickly recap.
Today's challenge, tell a 60-second story about yesterday.
Use simple past tense.
Use time words like first, then, after that.
Don't worry about being perfect.
Just speak.
And write your story in the comments.
Yes, we really want to hear from you.
Seriously.
Okay, before we go, one last thing. What is it?
Tomorrow we have day 14.
Ooh, what's the challenge?
I can't tell you yet
Why not?
because it's a surprise.
Yo, you're so annoying.
I know.
Fine, fine. Everyone, come back tomorrow.
Don't miss it.
All right, that's it for today.
Thank you so much for listening.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
And we hope you try today's challenge.
Remember, 60 seconds. You can do it.
We believe in you.
And if you like this episode, smash that like button.
Smash it.
And subscribe if you haven't already,
We post new videos every day.
so you don't want to miss out.
And share this with your English learning friends.
Yes, help them improve too.
All right, everyone, take care.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Happy learning.